Hi, this is CAD Lessons channel, and in this video I'll show you how to create such a part in FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a completely free parametric 3D CAD system where you can create your own 3D models. Start a new project in the Part Design module. Create a sketch on the XY plane. Draw two circles. Place the center of each circle at the origin of the coordinate system. Then dimension the circles. The first one has a diameter of 20 mm, the second one has a diameter of 30 mm. Now create another sketch. Select the XZ plane as the sketch plane. Select the polyline drawing command and draw a polyline so that the first point of the polyline is connected to the origin of the coordinate system, the second point is placed on the y-axis, and the third point is placed here. Then select the dimensioning command, select this line and enter 100 mm. Next, select this line and enter 100 mm. If this line is not horizontal, add the appropriate constraint. Then select the constraint preserving sketch fillet command and add a fillet here. Now select the radius dimensioning and set the radius of this fillet to 50 mm. The sketch is fully constrained, close the sketch. In the feature tree, select the first sketch and select the additive pipe operation. Then click the object button and select the second sketch. Click OK to accept, and this command created a profile sweep and we have this shape. Now we will remove a part of the material from this solid. Create a sketch on the XZ plane. Select the Create External Geometry command and create reference geometries. Select the geometries on the solid. Then switch to Section View. Now select the arc drawing command and draw an arc with the first point lying on this line, the second point on this line, and place the third point roughly here. Now select these 2 points and select the coincident constraint. Now select these 2 points, then this point, and select the symmetry constraint. Now we need to create a closed geometry based on which we will remove a part of the solid. Select the line drawing command and draw 3 lines in this way. It is important that the lines start at the endpoints of the arc and that this line is above the solid. The dimensions of these lines do not matter. Close the sketch. Select the pocket operation. Select the symmetric to plane option and select through all as the type. Click OK to confirm. And this way we got something like this. Switch to wireframe view and with the Ctrl key pressed, select these 4 edges. Now select the fillet command and set the radius value to 8 mm. Switch to as-is view and we got something like this. Now let's create next sketches. Create a sketch on this face. Select the centered rectangle command. Draw a rectangle roughly in this way. Dimension this side of the rectangle to 5 mm. The second dimension of the rectangle doesn't matter. It is important that it is larger than the thickness of this solid's wall. We could link it somehow to make the length of this side dependent on the thickness of the solid's wall, but I do not plan to make changes to this solid, so we can skip this. Now select the pocket operation and select through all as the type. Then select this face again and create another sketch. Create reference geometries based on these edges. And draw two rectangles so that the corners of the rectangles are connected to the lower points of the reference geometries. Then add equality constraints between the sides of the rectangles. Now add dimensions to one rectangle, short side 5 mm, long side 25 mm. Close the sketch and add an extrusion. Select up to face as the type and select this face and click OK to accept. Here such lines appeared. This is not an error, it's just a matter of displaying solids in FreeCAD. To make these lines invisible, select the last operation and change the refine parameter from false to true. Now add a fillet with a radius of 10 mm in these corners. With the Ctrl key pressed, select 4 edges and select the fillet command. Set the radius value and click OK. Then select this face and create another sketch. Create reference geometries based on the fillets. Then draw two circles with their centers coinciding with these points. Now add an equality constraint between the circles. Then set the diameter of one circle to 10 mm. Close the sketch. Add the pocket operation and select through all as the type. I will end here, and you, as an exercise, create this part of the solid on the other side. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.